Let's show you how to apply ceramic coating to your car that anybody could be applying to. Check out these amazing results, this before and after. It went from no water beading to amazing water beading. How did we achieve it? Using the brand new Chemical Guys HydroSlick Ceramic Kit 3-atom kit. Let's get right into it. Using the Chemical Guys HydroSlick Ceramic Kit 3-atom kit is going to transform any car at any given time, not just the shine, but also the protection. When it comes to ceramic, people think professionals need to do it, but in reality, you could do it yourself. It comes with an 8-ounce bottle, a microfiber applicator, and a towel to transform any shine and any protection on any ride. First things first, what you want to do is wash the car using Clean Slate. Clean Slate is going to remove any previous coatings or protectants that are sitting on the surface of the vehicle. So like this, we know we have a raw surface. After that, we did clay bar the surface and we polished it out. The reason why we clayed the surface is because we want to remove any type of contamination. For example, if you walk over to your surface of your car and you touch it and it sounds like this, that means you need a clay bar. If your surface sounds smooth as glass like a phone, you won't need to clay the surface. Now, after that, we always recommend polishing it for the best results. The reason being is, anytime you apply a ceramic coating to a painted surface, you're going to be locking in all the imperfections. So if you're not happy with your paint, I recommend you polishing them out using C4 or P4 polish to bring out the vibrant shine and perfection that you want. And after that, once you're happy with everything, that is when you could actually start ceramic coating your car. Now, it's super fast, fun, and easy to do. All you need to do is grab your bottle of HydroSlick. You walk over to the surface of your car. Don't forget your applicator and your towel. You'll be applying 6 dots onto your applicator. After you apply 6 dots onto your applicator, you'll be working in side to side onto the surface of the vehicle. After that, for example, right here, right now, we are in a controlled area. We have air conditioning inside here. So we're gonna let it sit on the surface from anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. If you are working outside, where the environment is not controlled, we recommend taking it off as soon as 30 seconds so like this the chemical does not flash on you. Once you remove the product away from the surface of the vehicle within 2 minutes or 30 seconds, that's when you move on to the next section of the vehicle to keep ceramic coating your car. This is not like a wax. This is going to be an application like a wax, but you want to treat it like a ceramic coating. Once you apply it on 2x2 area, make sure to remove it, then move on to the next section of the vehicle. Compared to like a wax, like a butter wet wax, you could do the whole entire car, let it haze up and come back and buff it off. In this occasion, it's super easy to apply like a wax, but you want to remove it constantly. Once you remove everything away from the surface of the paint, don't worry, ceramic goes further than just paint. You could be applying this product onto glass, glossy wheels, glossy plastics, metal, and even painted surfaces. I could be using this bottle of HydroSlick on any color car to bring out the vibrant shine and the protection I'm looking for all seasons. And for anybody asking, whenever you do apply HydroSlick onto the surface of your paint, it's going to provide 12 months of protection. So what happens if you don't have time to clay and polish your ride? Don't worry, HydroSlick is actually designed to go into the pores of the paint to even out the clear coat and darken the paint even more. So like this, whenever you see it from afar, up close, it's going to level out the paint and it's going to bring out the highest shine and protection as possible using one single product. Now, you still need to maintain it. For example, if I was to apply it onto this Tesla, which I am right now, I still want to maintain it over time. So that's when I'll be picking up Hydro Suds to wash it, or even Hydro Speed or Hydro Blitz to maintain the shine in between washes. So like this, HydroSlick over time lasts as long as possible. And whenever you're driving down the road, you leave your car outside, it's sitting in the harsh elements, it will not get all the contamination, the elements eating into the pores of the paint, and like this you stay protected. And just like that, that's how fast, fun, and simple it is to apply a HydroSlick ceramic kit to your car. Using one single bottle, one towel, one applicator, you could transform any shine to any ride at any given time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.